apps affairs show you.
How to reply on Instagram messages using the swipe feature. Follow these easy steps to learn how to use message swipe feature. First of all, you have to update your Instagram app. So go to your App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram. If you see any update available, then make sure to update the Instagram app. Once done, launch the Instagram app and tap on this message icon. Go to the conversation. And now, for example, I want to reply to this message using the swipe feature. So all you have to need is just tap on the message and swipe to the right side. And here we can see, now I can easily reply to this message. That's how you will be able to reply multiple messages using swipe feature. Just tap the message and swipe to the right side, and that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.